Raise your hand if you want to go to college. Raise your hand. Everybody put it down. Raise your hand if you are a senior. Seniors, stand up if you've been accepted to a college. Good job, round of applause, please. Before moving forward, I want to recognize some people who are sitting up here, all these students wearing gray shirts. Last year, the year before, and possibly the year before that, they were all students sitting up there with you guys. So give them a round of applause because they're now college students. Es posible que varios de ustedes que están ahora sentados allá arriba con las camisetas azules, el próximo año regresen a la próxima conferencia y estén aquí como voluntarios. But before you can go to college, ¿qué se necesita? Money, right? College is not cheap. It can be expensive to a lot of people. And the last thing that I want to say to you is that on April 1st, what happens on April 1st? April Fools, right? But there's nothing foolish about this. The Cesar Chavez Leadership Conference is going to be selecting roughly 30 students, 30 of you seniors, to receive $2,000 each. Some of the students are going to receive scholarships from Western Oregon University, and some of the students will receive scholarship money from both the Cesar Chavez Leadership Conference and Western Oregon University. And some of the students will receive scholarship money only from Cesar Chavez Leadership Conference. But in order for you to receive that money, you have to apply. That's how you give yourself a shot. When is the deadline? April 1st. For those of you who are juniors and sophomores or maybe freshmen, this year you do not qualify. Next year you will. Next year our plan is to recognize you, everybody on stage here, like we did the artists. Which means that we're going to move the scholarship deadline earlier. Does that make sense? So keep that in mind. And from now on, contact the people who brought you to this conference today, your teachers, your representatives. They have a scholarship application. Go to our website, the scholarship application is there. And we're going to make a selection really soon. Okay? When's the deadline? Eso es todo. Now I'll let you have David one last time before you go dance.
I have some important announcements. If there's a Raul Martinez from Central High School, we want to make sure you're sitting with Central High School. So Central High School, if you can wave. We want to make sure Raul Martinez is with Central High School. We also have some important transportation information. And so very, very important for the chaperones and the school staff. I was just told by Western Oregon that if your bus parked and stayed here in parking lot G, so if your bus parked and stayed in parking lot G, then we want you to go to parking lot G to load, to get on at the end of the conference. If your bus dropped you off, and it's going to come and pick you up, they will pick you up in front, out here, in front of the UP